What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now, you guys read that title, so you know what I'm making, right? I'm getting ready to show you guys just how easy it is to make. You know what? This is just nothing but a grilled buffalo chicken sandwich. And listen, if you've been following me for a minute, you know how I always talk about like indirect, right? But this time we're gonna cook right on top of the fire. That's gonna cut our time down. So you're talking 4 to 5 minutes on each side of the chicken. After that, it's time to go ahead and assemble these. So listen, we at home, we need things to do. I'm not gonna over talk it, and I'm finna show you guys just how easy it is to make grilled buffalo chicken sandwiches. Okay, so here we go. This is all of the ingredients, right? Of course, when we say buffalo sauce, most of us gonna say Frank's Red Hot, right? So we got Frank's Red Hot. We got some crumbled blue cheese. I went ahead and grilled myself some grilled onions. Listen, if you got the chance, go ahead and do these. And you know what? If you guys didn't know, grilled onions take a little while, so you might want to start these first, get these finished, and then bring them out. Okay, we got salt, pepper, and both of these are gonna be like a pinch and really like to taste, right? So we got a half of a lemon. It's up to you guys. I just suggest you guys try it with a half a lemon first. If you want to put a whole lemon juice in there, go ahead. I got some romaine lettuce. And then I'm gonna use this pot because I'm gonna put this on the grill. You know what I mean? We're gonna melt the butter, add the sauce, and do all of that to make the buffalo sauce, right? Chili powder. This right here, this is Greek. This is the Greek style yogurt right here. This is plain. You wanna get yourself some of this. I got a whisk because we're gonna mix this and the blue cheese together, right? Then right here, I got 4 tablespoons of butter, and that's salted butter. And then buns of your choice. These are the buns that I have right here. And you know what? I went ahead and got me a slider bun because I'm gonna make some of these also. You know, just make one like that. And then, you know, just to dress it up or whatever. I like onion. I still say, if you guys would like to, I took some red onion, went ahead and just sliced them so we can have those. That's if you like them. And then of course, you got the star right here. Look, I've already cleaned these up a little bit. It's okay that it has a little bit of fat on there. You know what I mean? Listen, fat equals flavor, right? So, got these right here. You can see they cleaned up. And look, this is the pretty side, so we're gonna put the pretty side down and we're gonna start from there. Okay, I just went ahead and put my charcoals in. I got my vent fully open on the bottom. So what it's doing is it's drawing a lot of air. I mean, we're gonna have fire because we're gonna cook and we're gonna do the whole thing with this chicken with the top up. So again, listen, it's called grilled, you know, buffalo chicken, right? So listen, we're gonna grill it first. Now, okay, so check it out. Look, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my yogurt, right? Have my yogurt right here. Got myself my small whisk. I'm gonna go ahead and just add my blue cheese to it. And that's that crumbled blue cheese, right? So we don't wanna like beat it up. Then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and just take a pinch, you know, a little salt. Put that back there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my grinder, just with that smoked, you know, freshly ground pepper. Just put this in here like this. Put this over here, and I'm just gonna take my whisk. This is probably not like the best thing to use, you know, but what I'm gonna do is I just want to get it mixed and try not to like break up all the crumbles, you know. So let me just go ahead and work right here. Now after tasting this, I hit it with just a little bit more salt. You know what I mean? It's really good. Hey, and I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. If you want to use this as a dip, as far as like dipping your wings in, boom. Okay, so I got my fire. It's just right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take just a little olive oil. It might look like a lot right now because that's enough gonna be for all of them, right? So what I'm gonna do is, this is just a binder just to get everything to stick. So do that, you know, just to get it on here, because all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use salt and pepper, that's it. So we'll start with this one. Just a little salt here. Go ahead, hit it with a little bit of this pepper. Get my tongs right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right over the top of the fire. Now that we got these on here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna say we just gonna go about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Now, since they like this, now is a good time for us to go ahead and just add a little salt and pepper. Now, while we have everything cooking, right, I'm gonna go ahead, put this on here. That's my little pot.
Now here in your pot or your pan, what you want to do is you want to melt your butter, then you want to add your hot sauce, right? And then you can just sprinkle, I just say just like a pinch of your chili powder. Also, when you seasoning your meat, you along with your salt and pepper, you can add a little chili powder to that also.
All right, what you seeing right now, listen, they done. I'm just putting some on here. I'm gonna remove them from the fire, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's just spin this around like this. I'll put this over here on this side, get that away from the fire so they'll stop cooking. We'll leave it like that. And now what I want to do is I'm gonna start assembling them. Okay, now what you guys are seeing right now, look, I just went ahead and grilled the buns, right? Toasted those up nice. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just take a little bit of this right here. We're just gonna add a little bit down like this, right? Maybe just a little bit more. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead, put a little bit of this romaine lettuce on here, just like you see there. We're gonna go ahead and just add it just like that. So right now, you guys have got to be able to see how it's coming. It's about these grilled onions. So we'll just go ahead, put some of these on top, just like you see there. Set that over here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of this blue cheese mix right here. So I didn't put no whole lot, I didn't want to put no mayo or nothing like that on there, because listen, it's about the flavors here. So we just get this on here like this. And we'll just go ahead and put this on the top, just like that. And that there is what I call a grilled, buffalo chicken sandwich. Now, you guys can add whatever you want to, but I actually just try this. Trust me, these flavors right here is just out of sight. So I'm gonna set this over. I'm gonna go ahead and grill this one. I'm gonna make me a slider also. Then we're gonna go ahead and taste it. Okay, so you guys just seen how easy it is to make, right? Remember, when you cook over the fire, you gotta stay with it. Keep your eyes on it. You wanna make sure it don't burn and make sure you don't have, so much flare up. So all you wanna do is, like I say, usually 4 to 5 minutes, somewhere like in between about 4.5 minutes, and then you'll be right. So I'm finna show you right now. I got them all made. I even got my little slider, because that's what I'm getting ready to do. These are it right here. I'll start with the big one first. I went ahead with the red onion. The one in the middle is the one you guys saw me put the grilled onions on. And then this one right here, this little slider. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat one of these. I'm gonna eat this slider. This is like a little hot to me, but that blue cheese and that yogurt mix, that right there, that tones it down. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab it. Here it is. Here we go. Cheers. If this don't say summertime to you, I don't know what will. But here it is so you guys can see it. Hopefully it's focusing on it so you can see it's cooked all the way through. This right here is good. Even got Bosco down here. I guess I'm dripping and he's trying to get him some too. Now, I can't say nothing. I like to say hands down, ain't nothing better than this. But like I said, this right here, it says summertime. Look, it got the right amount of heat, but with that, that little sauce that we made, that right there cools it and tones it down just right for myself. So you guys tell me what you guys want to put on your, whatever you guys gonna put on your grilled, buffalo chicken sandwiches. It's up to you. I'm curious to see what you guys do. Hey, so with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, I got some food to eat and I'm out of here. Peace.